Hello students, fourth exercise lines and angles. This is last part of this chapter, 18th part. Now 16th question, see this one. In the adjacent figure, it is given that AB equal to AC, angle BAC equal to 36 degrees, angle ADB equal to 45 degrees and angle AEC equal to 40 degrees. Find the given four angles. Angle ABC, ACB, DAB and EAC. Here A, B, C, this is one of the triangle. Here they given 36 degrees and DE means ADE another triangle. ADE another triangle. Here 40 degrees, here 45 degrees. Answer. Given that AB equal to AC in triangle ABC. Take in triangle ABC. See, observe that figure. ABC triangle AB equal to AC. We know that opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Sides of triangles also equal. Sides of triangles are equal. Means angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Let here B. ABC means angle B. Take X. Angle C also X. Means let angle ABC equal to angle ACB equal to X degrees. We can assume that. So we know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Means angle A, angle B, angle C equal to 180 degrees. Angle A means BAC, right? Angle B means ABC. Angle C means BCA. Like that. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like that. Angle BAC. Angle ABC means angle A plus angle B plus angle C means ACB equal to 180 degrees. Got it? Here angle A means 36 degrees. 36 degrees plus ABC means X degrees plus X degrees equal to 180 degrees. X plus X 2X. 36 plus 2X equal to 180. 2X equal to 180 minus 36. 180 minus 36 equal to 144. Here 2X equal to 144. X equal to 144 by 2. Do cancellation. We'll get 72 degrees. X equal to 72. X means what? Angle ABC equal to 72. Therefore, angle ABC. First one, angle ABC equal to 72 degrees. Next, second one. Second, angle ACB equal to angle ABC. These two angles are equal. ABC will get in 72 degrees. ACB equal to angle ABC also 72 degrees. ABC will get in first question. ACB also 72 degrees. Next, third one. Angle ABD plus angle ABC equal to 180 degrees. That is linear pair. In that figure, observe linear pair. We know that linear pair means sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABD plus ABC means 72 equal to 180 degrees. Angle ABD equal to 180 minus 72. 180 minus 72 will get 108. ABD equal to 108. For that, three angles of a triangle. We know that another triangle, that total means angle A plus angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degrees in that figure. Now, here take angle BAD plus angle ADB means angle A plus angle D plus middle letter angle ABD. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Like that, angle BAD plus here ADB they given 45 degrees. In that figure 45 degrees plus ABD we get 108 equal to 180 degrees. Angle BAD plus 108 plus 45 we will get 153 equal to 180 degrees. Angle BAD equal to 180 minus 153. Do subtraction, we will get 27 degrees. So what is this? Therefore 27 degrees. Angle DAB or BAD. BAD or DAB both are same. Angle DAB equal to 180 minus 53. 153 we will get 27 degrees. Fourth question. Angle ACB plus angle ACE equal to, that is linear pair, sum equal to 180. Linear pair or straight angle. ACB will get in second question 72 degrees, or first one also we get this 72 degrees plus angle ACE equal to 180 degrees. Angle ACE equal to 180 minus 72 will get 108. Now another triangle will be that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees means angle A plus angle C plus angle E. Observe that figure means angle EAC, angle A. Angle C means ACE plus angle E. E means AEC equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. EAC plus ACE 108 plus AEC will get 40 degrees. In question the given figure equal to 180 degrees. Angle EAC plus 108 plus 40 148 equal to 180 degrees. EAC equal to 180 minus 148. 180 minus 148 equal to 32 degrees. Therefore, angle EAC equal to 32 degrees. Seventeenth question. Using information given that the figure, calculate the values of x and y. The given A, B, C, D. Here 24 degrees, x degrees, y degrees. Here E. Here 34 degrees, 62 degrees. About this, in a triangle, we know that one exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. X is exterior angle. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. In a triangle, an exterior angle equal to is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. The sum of its opposite interior angles. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. In triangle ABC, observe the triangle. X is exterior angle. X equal to opposite interior angle A, angle B. means 34 degrees plus 62 degrees. We'll get 96 degrees. X equal to 96. For that, another triangle. Here another triangle. Y is exterior angle opposite to 24. X to opposite. Y is exterior angle. In triangle DCE. Observe that figure. Triangle DCE, angle y degrees equal to 24 plus x degrees. One exterior angle equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. 24 plus x means we'll get here 96. 24 plus 96, 120 degrees. Therefore, x equal to 96 degrees, y equal to 120 degrees. Thanks for watching, children. Please subscribe my channel and get more updates. Next class we will discuss 5th chapter.